Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start with safety and a quick voltage check. First, make sure the ignition is off, doors closed, and accessories unplugged. This prevents false draws. Next, set your multimeter to DC 20V and probe the battery terminals. 12. 6 volts is fully charged. Under 12. 4 volts means you should charge the battery before more tests. Once done, note the exact voltage and temperature. These numbers tell you whether to suspect the battery itself or proceed to drain tracing with confidence. You now measure current to find an unwanted draw. With the negative terminal disconnected, connect your multimeter inline on the or 10 setting and read the draw. Modern cars normally show 2050 mA at rest. If the reading exceeds your threshold, pull fuses one by one while watching the meter. When the current drops, that fuse circuit contains the drain. Once isolated, inspect devices on that circuit, alarms, modules, aftermarket items, and wiggle connectors to reproduce the fault so you know what to repair. You finish by fixing the identified cause and validating the fix. Replace the defective component or repair the wiring, then properly reconnect the battery and charge it if voltage dipped. After reassembly, remeasure resting voltage and parasitic current. Confirm it falls below roughly 50 mA. If the problem continues, make sure modules are entering sleep. Sometimes a software update or BCM reset is required. As a troubleshooting tip, if draws are intermittent, use a data logger or professional.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.